Okay, open it. Good. Open it. Come on. Good. Yes. Good boy. Take our camera here. Okay. What are we doing next? Come here, bud. I don't know if we're in the camera. Okay. Come here. Come here. Yeah, I know. We'll get to it. You bounce. Yeah, good boy. Move the camera again. I'm not sure if I can see you fold in here. Okay, come here. Come here. Sit. Yeah. Can you get this? Yeah. Can you get this? Let's hold on. Good. Can you get this? Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Boy. Come here. Ready? Sit. Can you go get it? Not the towel. Bring it here. Right in. You just put your nose all over it. Come here. You're getting the towel. Can you get the paper? Right in. Get that. Bring it here. Yes, thank you. We got a crumpled corner and a snow smear, but other than that, it's okay. Can you sit? Thank you. Not even facing me. You want to lick your candle? Lick. Good.